Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax at Panama City Beach. Today we are standing next to this 2024 Grady-White 326 Canyon. Notice the hull sides here in coastal fog blue, as well as underneath the hardtop color match to the hull. Great looking boat on the water. Let's step here towards the transom, show you a few key features. On the 326 here, swim platforms come off the transom, making it easy to get on and off the water. And if you did have a fish on, get it here around the motors so you don't have to deal with them. 2024 also, color match motors to match the off-white color of the Grady-White, and as well your trim tabs and underwater lights. Let's step up in the boat, get a feel for the inside of the 326. Hey guys, now they're here on the bow of the 2024 Grady-White 326 Canyon. Notice this huge sun pad we have up front. Great for lounging out in the sandbar. Now if you take all these cushions up, leave the bow filler in, now you have a great casting platform away from the T-top. Just a great space overall. Here on the starboard side where I have my lounger pushed away, up comes my insulated storage. So extra drinks, maybe an extra fish box if you like. Close this down, watertight, everything drains overboard. Coming back here towards midship. First we'll stop in the cabin here where you have your electric pump out toolet, 4 rod holders keeping your tackle out of the weather, and then 4 to that, extra storage and more tackle storage here on the starboard side. Coming back here towards the helm. Open console here, add your electronics with always joystick control and your integrated autopilot with your Yamaha motors. Paneling up top with the carbon fiber bait plate looks great and it keeps the glare down overall. Stepping back here behind the leaning post, big live well there, and as well another one on your corner over here, freshwater sink, and then tackle storage all the way down here as well. So a great place to keep your pliers, knives, extra hook sets, whatever you need. Here in the back, where most of your fishing is going to be done, and as well getting in and out of the boat's a breeze with the dive door here. Ladder goes over the side. Fish box in the back as well, and for extra seating, your bench seat. Guys, Ben Finley here, MarineMax at Panama City Beach. Come take a look at all these great features on the Grady-White 326 today here at MarineMax. Thanks, have a good day.